In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Raydium with MetaMask. Since Raydium is built on the Solana blockchain MetaMask, which primarily supports Ethereum and EVM chains, does not natively support Solana. So however, I'll explain how you can still access Raydium using Solana EVM bridge. Now first, go to the official website of MetaMask.io or MetaMask.io, and in here download and install the MetaMask. And once you download and install it successfully, assumingly, create a wallet or import an existing one using your seed phrase, and then fund your wallet with ETH or USDC if you plan to bridge assets later. So to interact with Raydium, you need Solana-based token. Since MetaMask doesn't support Solana, you'll need to bridge assets from Ethereum to Solana using a cross-chain bridge. You can go to the portal bridge or wormhole and then connect your MetaMask wallet for Ethereum assets. Then after that, select Ethereum and then Solana as the bridge direction, and then choose an asset, for example, USDC or WETH, and then connect a Solana wallet, for example, Phantom or Software, and then confirm the transaction and wait for the bridging process to complete. So after that, go back to the radium.io. Make sure you are on the official website and already log in with your credential. Now on the upper right corner, click the connect wallet, and in here you will see the different kinds of wallet that you can connect to Raydium. So in here, since MetaMask does not support Solana directly, choose a Solana compatible wallet, for example, Phantom, Solfare, or Solid. So if you don't have a Solana wallet, create one and import your bridge asset. And now that you have your asset in Solana wallet, you can swap tokens via the swap tab, trade using limit orders via the trading section, and provide liquidity and earn fees via liquidity tab. And that's it. Since Raydium runs on Solana, MetaMask alone won't work, but by using a bridge and Solana wallet, you can still access Raydium. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.